Good morning, second graders, and welcome to math this morning. We are on lesson 14.7, and it's working with money word problems. Today, our target is solve money word problems. And I'll just tell you that as you get older and older, most of the problems that are not out of a math book are going to be around money. Okay, so it's important to learn how to work with money. So it says, model the story. You buy a book for 60 cents. Here is our book for 60 cents. Your friend buys a book for 33 cents. And there's your friend's book for 33 cents. How much do you and your friend spend in all? You buy a book for 60 cents. Your friend buys a book for 33 cents. How much do you and your friend spend in all? In all, ladies and gentlemen, that's the key. When I see the words in all, that's when I know that we are going to be adding. Okay? I want to know how much it is altogether. In all, 60 plus 33 is how I find out. 60 cents plus 33 cents is what I'm going to get. 0 plus 3, I don't need to regroup anything because I didn't get bigger than 10, and I'm not subtracting, so I don't have to take anything away. So 0 plus 3 is 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 93, don't forget my cents, 93 cents. So, explain how we solved. How did we solve? We solved by looking at each book, how much it was, and then adding the totals together. So, I drew each book and added the totals together. All right. I could say 60 cents and draw the coins for each of these, and then 33 cents and draw the coins for each of these. This way works as well. Whichever way makes your brain say, now I get it. That's the one I want to see you use. All right, so I turn to page 700, and let's look. Newton has a $20 bill, a $5 bill, and two $1 bills. How much more money does he need to buy a present that costs $40? Think, what do you know? What do you need to find? And what do we know? What do we have to do first? We have to find out how much we have. 20 plus 5 plus 1 and 1. 20 plus 5 plus 2, right? 1 and 1 is 2, makes 27. Then we have to subtract to find out how much more he needs. So I have 40 minus 27, and they've done the math for us. This piece that's missing, I have 27 here, and I need to get to 40. So when they did the subtraction problem, they said it comes to $13. Newton needs 13 more dollars to be able to buy the present that cost $40. They've given us some word problems here. Let's take a look. Descartes has two $10 bills and two $5 bills. He has $21 more than Newton. How much money does Newton have? All right, so let's see. I have two $10 bills, $10 and $10, and two $5 bills, 5 and 5. And so that's step one. Descartes has two $10 bills and two $5 bills. he has $21 more than Newton. So let's see what we have. We have 10 plus 10, which is, you're right, 20, plus 5 is 25. Count on another 5, 30. So this side, all of these bills equal $30. All right. Now we need to know he has 21 more than Newton. So let's go back to where we were back in the beginning, and we are drawing pictures. So this is this amount of money. This is $30. He has $21 more, 21 more than Newton. This is what Newton has, and Descartes has 21 more than this number. This is what we're trying to figure out. So what's something that we could do? I could subtract and say, this is how I'm going to do it. Or since we are working with money, we could add. I have 21 and I need to know how much will it take to get up to 30. So I have 21. I could add another dollar. So there's 22, 23, 24, 25. And when I have this, when I have 25, I could add another 5, and that would take me all the way to 30. So let's see how many I added when I'm working with money. I have 5 plus 1 is 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's check and see if that's correct. I could do this, 21 plus 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So the 0 goes here, the 10 goes up here. 1 plus 2 is 3. That works. So I have, or how much does Newton have? He has $9, right? If I put this here, $9, that's what I was trying to find out. All right, Descartes has some coins in a jar. Some coins, doesn't tell us how many. He puts in 4 dimes, 1 nickel, and 1 penny. Now he has $1. How many cents were in the jar? All right, he puts in, what do we know? 4 dimes, 1 nickel, 1 penny. 4 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the dimes are each worth 10 cents. 1 nickel and 1 penny. All of these are cents. 10 cents, 10 cents. So I count 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, and then I add one more, 46. 46 cents. That's how much he put in. There were already some in the jar, and we know that when he added them to it, he got to $1. So what could we do? Well, I could say $1, 100 cents, minus what he put in is going to tell us what was left. Let's do this. I have 0. Can I take away 6? No. It's bigger on the bottom. I cannot take any away. So let's go to the here. Can't do it. I go all the way to the hundreds. Now there are 0 hundreds because I've traded it to make it 10 tens. Now, since I have 10 tens, now I can take away one of those tens. Now I have 9 and make it over here. And now it's 10 ones. 10 ones minus 6 ones is 4 ones. 9 ones minus 4 ones is 5 ones. And we're dealing with coins. We're dealing with cents. So we have 54 cents were in the jar. And when we add 54 plus these, it's going to equal 100. So let's try. 54 plus 1 is 55, plus another nickel is 60, plus 10 is 70, 80, 90, 100. So this is our answer, 54 cents. All right, boys, girls, these word problems, they take a little bit of time. So let's get going. All right, Newton has some money. He loses a $10 bill and 3 $1 bills. Now he has 19. How much money did he have to start? So let's draw a picture. Now he has $19. He lost a $10 bill, and 3 $1 bills. Let's add those back and see what he had when he started. So 19 plus a $10 bill makes it $29. Then 3 $1 bills. 1, 2, 3. Each of those is a $1 bill. Okay, so 29 plus 1 is 30. Plus 1 more is 31. Plus 1 more is 32. He had $32 to begin with. Boys and girls, I hope you never lose $10 and then 3 more dollar bills. Let's be careful with our money. Let's see. I think I have time for another one. Descartes has 1 $20 bill, 3 $10 bills, and 3 $5 bills. He spends $50. How much money does he have left? Wow. One $20 bill. $20 bill. Let's draw that in here. A $20 bill. And 3 $10 bills. 1, 2, 3. And each of those was 10. 10 and 10. So we have a 20, one $20 bill, 3 $10 bills, and 3 $5 bills. Wow. Descartes has a lot of money. 3 $5 bills. There's 1, 2, 3. 3 $5 bills. All right. It doesn't ask how much we have all together. It says that he spends $50. And then how much does he have left? So this is the total amount of money that he has. He spends $50. Let's see what can get us to 50. 20 plus a 10 would make $30. Plus another 10 would make $40. Plus another 10 would make $50. So he spends the 20, 1, 2, 3 of the 10s, and that leaves 1, 2, 3 of the $5 bills. How much money does he have left? He has 5, 10, $15. Don't forget to put in the dollar sign. All right. This one is just like what we were working on before. You have a book costs $1. You have 2 quarters and a nickel. How much more money do you need to buy the joke book? I think you can do this. It's almost like making change, right? You have 2 quarters and a nickel, 25, 25, and a 5. You need to keep adding coins to get all the way up to 100 cents to get that joke book. Okay, boys and girls, I want you to try to work on this and do your 2 practice pages. And have a great day. Talk to you later.